Are you tired of watching your fuel tank and wallet drain faster than ever? With gas prices rising every month, saving money isn't a luxury anymore. It's survival, but here's the truth most drivers ignore. Small, daily habits behind the wheel are quietly robbing you of thousands over time. This isn't about switching cars or buying gadgets. It's about fixing the way you drive today. From unnecessary idling to the wrong oil, every decision matters. So let's get real. These 9 habits could mean the difference between breaking your budget and finally taking control of your car and your cash. 9. Watch your speed. Speeding may feel like you're saving time, but you're burning money without realizing it. Fuel economy begins to drop significantly once you cross the 80 km/h mark. At that point, your car fights increased wind resistance, forcing the engine to work harder. In fact, for every 5 km/h over 80, you're effectively paying a higher fuel price. Staying in the 60 to 80 km/h sweet spot on highways can improve your fuel economy by up to 15% and reduce wear on your engine and tires. Slowing down also increases road safety, giving you more reaction time and reducing the likelihood of accidents. It's a win-win for your wallet and your life. Think speeding is harmless? What if we told you every km/h over the limit is like throwing coins out your window? Literally. Keep reading, because habit number 5 is one you're likely doing every single day. 8. Plan and combine trips. Short trips with a cold engine are your car's worst nightmare when it comes to fuel usage. Cold starts demand more fuel, and when you make multiple individual trips throughout the day, you're constantly restarting the cycle. Instead, try combining errands into a single route. This keeps the engine warm, significantly improving efficiency. Think about it: a quick run to the grocery store, then back home. An hour later, off to the post office. Another hour, school run. Each trip wastes fuel just getting your car warm enough to operate efficiently. Combine those into one round trip and you not only save fuel, but also time and energy. It's a small change in planning with a big return. 7. Use the right motor oil. Motor oil isn't one size fits all. Using the wrong grade increases internal friction, forcing your engine to work harder and consume more fuel. Your car's manual recommends a specific oil grade for a reason. It's what your engine was built for. Look for motor oils labeled energy conserving. These oils contain friction-reducing additives that help your engine run smoother. Studies show that just switching to the correct oil can improve your gas mileage by 1 to 2%. And don't assume expensive means better. Stick to what your engine needs, not what your mechanic tries to upsell. Every drop matters in the long run. Using the wrong oil is like feeding your car junk food every day. It'll keep moving, for now, but not without consequences. Stick around, because number 3 is something you're probably carrying in your car right now. 6. Stick to scheduled maintenance. Let's face it, most people skip routine servicing until something goes wrong. But here's the kicker: that check engine light might be costing you serious fuel every single day. Dirty air filters, worn spark plugs, and failing oxygen sensors are silent fuel killers. They force your engine to overcompensate, wasting more fuel to get the same output. Fixing a faulty oxygen sensor alone can improve mileage by up to 40%. Prevention is cheaper than cure. A simple service every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers keeps everything running smoothly, saving fuel, extending engine life, and helping you avoid costly breakdowns. 5. Avoid excessive idling. Still believe restarting your engine uses more fuel than letting it idle? That's outdated advice. Today's engines are built to be restarted without wasting fuel. In fact, idling for just 1 minute uses more fuel than turning off and restarting your car. This is especially important during school pickups, in traffic, or while waiting for someone. If you're going to be stationary for over 60 seconds, turn the engine off. Over a year, this simple habit can save a surprising amount of fuel. If you idle daily, you're basically tipping petrol money into thin air without even realizing it. But it gets crazier. Wait till you see how number 1 could slash your fuel bill in half. And here's something most drivers overlook: idling for long periods doesn't just waste fuel, it also creates unnecessary engine wear. Your spark plugs, exhaust system, and oil degrade faster. Less idling means longer engine life and fewer repair bills. Smart and efficient. 4. Use cruise control. Wisely, cruise control is great for flat highways, maintaining a constant speed and optimizing fuel usage. But on hilly terrain or in traffic, it becomes your car's worst enemy. That's because cruise control aggressively tries to maintain speed, even uphill, burning far more fuel than necessary. On varied terrain, your foot is smarter than the computer. You can ease off on inclines and coast downhill, something cruise control can't predict efficiently. Use it when it makes sense, but know when to take back control. Many drivers don't realize cruise control can't see the road ahead. It doesn't know there's a red light coming or a slowdown around the bend. That's where human judgment beats automation. Turn cruise control off in city conditions or when roads are unpredictable. You'll stay safer and burn less fuel. Think of it as intelligent driving, not lazy driving. 3. Lighten your load. Your car isn't a storage unit. Every extra 45 kilograms, 100 pounds, can reduce your fuel economy by up to 1%. Roof racks, tools, sports gear, if it's not essential, remove it. This is especially true for city drivers who stop and start frequently. Heavier cars need more energy to get moving, wasting precious fuel. A weekend cleanup of your trunk and back seat can instantly improve mileage without spending a dime. Less weight, less drag, more savings. Even your fuel tank counts. Topping it off to the brim adds unnecessary weight. Try to keep your fuel level around the half tank mark for daily driving. And let's not forget roof boxes. They increase aerodynamic drag significantly. Taking one off after your road trip can boost highway fuel economy by 2 to 8%. Less junk equals more miles. 2. Keep tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires don't just wear out faster, they also increase rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder. A drop of just 1 psi in all 4 tires can lower fuel efficiency by 3 to 4%. Check tire pressure at least once a month. Use a reliable gauge and follow the manufacturer's recommended psi found in the owner's manual or door frame. Properly inflated tires also handle better and reduce the risk of blowouts. It's a 5-minute job that can add thousands to your yearly fuel savings. Temperature changes can drastically affect tire pressure, especially in winter. Make tire checks part of your seasonal maintenance. Also, don't forget your spare tire. An underinflated spare won't help in emergencies. A small digital tire gauge in your glove box can save you from big fuel bills and roadside disasters. 1. Easy on the pedal. Aggressive driving is one of the biggest fuel wasters, especially in city traffic. Rapid acceleration and sudden braking burn more fuel than maintaining a steady pace. Smooth acceleration, coasting when possible, and anticipating red lights can increase your fuel economy by up to 40% in city conditions. On highways, that boost can still be as much as 30%. Drive like there's an egg under your pedal, and your wallet will thank you. You don't need a new car to save money on fuel. You just need a new mindset. Start with even 3 of these tips today, and you could save thousands this year alone. Which one will you try first? More than just savings, gentle driving extends your engine life, brakes, and transmission. It's also safer for you and your passengers. The best part, once you form the habit, it becomes second nature. Smooth drivers aren't just smart, they're ahead of the game, mile after mile. There you have it, 9 simple habits that can drastically reduce your fuel costs starting today. You don't need a hybrid, a new engine, or some overpriced gadget, just a smarter approach behind the wheel. So here's your challenge. Pick 3 of these tips and put them to the test this week. Track your fuel receipts. Notice the difference. And when it works, and it will, share this video with a friend who's still stuck wasting money at the pump. Don't just drive. Drive smart. Your wallet, your car, and even the planet will thank you. Hit that like button, subscribe for more car-saving hacks, and we'll see you on the next ride. Safe travels.